Hi, this presentation is on file management. Think about file management as an electronic filing cabinet for your computer files. It's a way for you to be organized. Some of the same techniques that you would use with your filing cabinet, you would use to organize your folders and files in your computer. Those are the two main objects, files and folders. So let's start off with the folder. On the desktop we have the My Files folder. I want to open it. I want to see what's inside. The way to open it is by double clicking. So I'm going to double click on the My Files folder. So let me bring it down here so you can see it a little bit better. First thing you should notice is the address bar at the top tells you the location where you're at. So currently we're inside the My Files folder. There's several folders in here. I'm going to double click inside the classes folder so I can open it up. Notice once again the address bar. I'm inside the My Files folder, inside the classes folder. Now I'm able to see the contents that's inside the classes folder, and currently I only have one folder called 2011 Fall. Suppose I want to create a folder. I can do that by right clicking on some blank space. I get a menu bar. I go to the new and I locate folder. I click on that. Currently the name is selected, so I can type in the name that I want. I'm going to type in 2011 Spring. I'm going to click on some blank space to finalize it, and there it is. Now let's open up the 2011 Fall folder. As you can see, I have several folders and I have two files. So let me show you how to delete a folder. So let's delete the history class folder. Once again I'm gonna select it. I just click on it once. It's selected. Now I right click on it and I get a menu. One of the options in this menu is delete. So I'm gonna click delete. It asks me if I want to delete it. I click yes, and there it is. It's gone. Okay, so we learned how to open, create, and delete a folder. What about renaming a folder? Suppose we want to rename the first folder on the list. First thing we do, select it by clicking on it one time, right click so we could get the menu. A lot of the options are going to be in the menu, and I look for rename. It gets selected there. I could click outside. Okay, now I rename it. We'll put English. It'll be our English class. I click on some blank space to finalize it, and there it is. Okay, suppose now that PE, I took it in the spring semester, not the fall. So I need to move this. So the other technique that I can do is the cut. So I can select my folder, right click on it, and go to cut. So cut is used to move an object, whether it's a folder or a file, to another location. So I'm going to click cut. Notice how it becomes transparent. Now notice I'm also inside the 2011 Fall folder. I need to get out of here. How do I do that? I use the navigation by clicking on back. I'm back at where I could see both of these folders. Now I double click on the spring folder. Now I right click in some blank space and I have paste, and this is used to finalize the move. So I'm going to click on it and there's P15. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back inside the fall folder, and P15 is no longer there. The same techniques that I applied for the folders I can apply to files. I could delete a file. I'll delete the history paper file. I right click, go to delete. It asks me if I want to delete it. Click yes, and there, it's gone. I could rename this file select it, right click, rename. I'll type in another essay. It's one for my English class here. So I just renamed it. Okay, now I'm going to move it. I'll cut it and I'll paste it inside this English folder, the English 1A folder, right? I'm organizing my files here. Cut. Notice it's transparent there. I go inside my English folder. I already have it. I have a essay 1 there. I right click, paste. Now I have another essay. Okay, go back. Alright, I don't have any files there. But let's create a file now. I right click on some blank space. Several ways to create a file. I'm going to show you one. So go to new. This is the same place where we create our folder. Now these are all the different files that I can create. Okay, so I'll just go with text document. Remember, a file can be a number of things. It could be a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, a song, a video. Okay, but for now we're just going to be playing with these very simple files. So let's create computer project. Click on some blank space. So here's my computer project. I'm going to show you how to copy. So copy is used to duplicate. So here I click on copy. I go inside my IS-15 folder, right click, paste. Now it should still be back here, and it is. So that's the difference between cut and copy. That copy you're duplicating, cut you're moving it. Okay, so now you know how to create, delete, rename, cut, copy, and paste folders and files. Very, very important to master these skills so you can be organized, so you can organize your computer files. Thanks for watching.